Okay, here's your quick guide to Unit 2, Materials, Techniques and Processes. Okay, so a quick overview of what the unit is all about. The unit is about experimenting with a broad range of media and investigating how artists and designers use and combine media and techniques, and then combining that yourself using traditional and digital. So a broad range of media might be inks, watercolour, charcoal, pencil crayon, acrylics, and then combining those with digital methods as well, so half toning, vector illustration, Photoshop, layering and blending. Also, print is going to be a massive part of this unit. You need to digitize your own traditional media, so that means experimenting with these things like watercolors and stuff like that, scan them into the computer and then use Illustrator and Photoshop to manipulate them. And you need to include it in your final design. So let's jump into the unit grading criteria. Pass 1 and Merit 1. For Pass 1, you need to explore materials and techniques and use it safely. So you need to write about how to use this media safely. Make sure you add some of the health and safety stuff in there. So you need to experiment with them. And then for Merit 1, show a considered understanding of the uses of materials and techniques through in-depth investigation. That means you need to annotate your method. So what did you do? How did it turn out? Would you use it? Now you need to then use this for distinction 1. You need to use that analysis and evaluation to create a really great final design that uses lots of media and lots of manipulation of that media to create a really interesting final design. Now Pass 2, Merit 2 and Pass 3 are easy peasy. If you get the first lot done, you're there. Pass 2, use materials and techniques and processes. Well, you will have to do that because you cannot get through this unit without playing. So Pass 1 and Pass 2, what's the point in having a Pass 2? Anyway, Merit 2, carry out purposeful analysis and application of materials, techniques and processes. Well, it will be purposeful if you're doing it for your project and it ends up in your project. So to make it purposeful, you're not going to get, I don't know, if you're going to do a menu design for a Texan or Mexican restaurant, and then you decide you're going to create floral images using real flowers dipped in ink, I can't really see a connection between that and a Texan restaurant. So it needs to be purposeful. So you need to have your end goal in mind. And Pass 3, evaluate the suitability of selected materials and techniques and processes. That means evaluating your own media experiments and then also your final project evaluation. That is it. Unit 2 is easy to get. It's basically playing with media, writing about it, and looking at how other artists and designers might be using it too.